Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block app internet access on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 running One UI 9. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over and open up the settings. We are using the AI network guard here. Basically, it will be a network level blocking. We're going to go to settings. And from here, we need to go to connections. So this is where we will probably end up in the first place. We're going to click on our Wi-Fi. And in the Wi-Fi, we're going to click on three dots, click on intelligent Wi-Fi. And we want to click on intelligent Wi-Fi, as you guys can see a couple of times. Now, 2, 1. And we have the connectivity labs enabled. As you guys can see, there's a lot of stuff here. So we can see the band, how many times we were connected. So Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, 6, and of course the latest one, 7. Here we have the network. And also there's a new option, which is the AI network guard. We can click on it. And as you guys can see here, we can set up a guardian pin. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to click next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to click save, and now we can click on manage restriction. We have to enter that pin, click on continue, and here you can restrict the apps. So as you guys can see, restrict the browsers. It is effective to restrict the browser along with network restriction. So we can click on browser, we can click on apply, and then we're going to click confirm, and let's see how it works. As you guys can see, the access is blocked entirely. So we can try, but it just won't work. As you guys can see, we can try and load some YouTube, but it won't load. So that's how we basically can easily just restrict our network. Basically, the Chrome is just unusable now, and that's how you guys can do it. Make sure that you're on the One UI 9, and that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.